I found these new cool UGCs which are absolutely mind-blowing. The fourth one is so easy that anyone on this planet can do it easily. Before that, like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Shout out to my subscribers. Alright, let's go. You guys keep asking me how to get Robux, so I logged in and found this cool website. Search for Ronaldo. Let me show you how it works. And I have also redeemed it a month ago. Sign up on Ronaldo and your dashboard will look something like this. Ronaldo is a platform where you can complete surveys and other tasks to earn Robux. You can get 5 Robux instantly. Just enter my promo code here. Nice. Limited to first 100 users only. They conduct giveaways very frequently. Participate and stand a chance to win Robux. Nice. Complete more surveys and stand on top of their weekly leaderboard to earn more. They also have live giveaways on their YouTube profile which can significantly increase your chances of getting more Robux. Their withdrawal system is pretty easy too. Go to withdraw page and enter the Robux you want to redeem. Make sure you have enough points before you do. Create a game pass of this price given here. Select the game here. After completing at least one offer, you will be able to redeem the Robux. Sometimes it might take 3 to 7 days. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in description and start earning today. Our first game for today is Triville RP. Once you load in, go here. In order to get this UGC, you need to complete a simple quest. So watch me carefully so you don't miss out.
Okay.
This first one is right in the movie theater. Just 2 more to go. And the last one is in the school. If you see this badge, it means you did everything correctly. Don't worry if you see out of stock, you can get it once they restock it back. Next, join this game. Once you are here, go here to take the quest. It's very easy because all you have to do is win a match as Seeker. Let's quickly complete the quest. It's similar to Call of Duty Prop Hunt. And that's it, the quest is now done. Return back to the lobby. The stock for today is over. You can get it the next day after you complete the quest. Moving on, our next game is Anime Outfits. We have previously seen this game in some of videos, but this time they got more new anime items. Here, you need coins to get the free UGC, and first way is by collecting our daily rewards. In UGC section you will see these many new anime heads and outfits. And they restock few times too. You earn 1 coin every 2 minutes you spend in the game.
Nice.
Enter this code here for free 100 coins. This will give you a head start. You can explore their wide catalog of anime outfits. Alright, I'm a start away from keyboard grinding for the UGCs. These are the free UGC items which you will get from this game. Grab yours before they run out. Next, join my makeup store. Once you join, you need to undergo a simple tutorial so that you can actually get into the game. Once it's done, click on UGC. All you have to do is log in straight for 30 days and play 10 minutes a day. If you like tycoon games, then you can play this game. You will get this sick magic pot backpack. Lastly, join Kingdom of Essentia. This game requires grinding. In order to get the UGC, you need to reach certain levels in Fun Pass. And to level up your Fun Pass, you need to complete the tycoon and do a few rebirths. Let's grind together. Also, if you want to play with me, follow my Roblox profile. These are the free items you get from that game.